Again, assume Gedanken conditions exist in this example. I told you Gedanken comes up all the time. A pilot of a spaceship traveling at 99.7% the speed of light is traveling from Earth to the Moon. The proper distance from the Earth to the Moon is 384,400 kilometers. When the pilot looks out the window, the distance between the Earth and the Moon looks much less than that. Calculate the distance the pilot sees. All right, I'm going to show you a cool little shortcut. Let's look at our Lorentz factor. This one you are allowed to use, but only in specific circumstances. All right, there is our Lorentz factor. All right, we already know what V over C is. It's 0.997. Okay, if you are given a fraction of the speed of light, you don't need to do V squared over C squared. All you need to do is this. 1 over 1 minus 0.997 squared. Okay? Because this is already the ratio of your velocity to light. And that's all you're finding down here. So you can just, if you get a value of something C, just put it straight into the equation. You don't have to do that V squared over C squared. Just pop it in, but don't forget to square it. All right. So let's work out our Lorentz factor. So we have oops. Oh, I don't know how to use this thing. Someone work that out for me? 4.92. 4.92? 12. Ooh, all right, 12.92. That sounds better. So our Lorentz factor is 12.92. And again, our length contraction equation, L equals L naught on... Now, the tricky part to this, again, with distance contraction, the tough part of this is working out the difference between L and L naught. But if we are going from the Earth to the Moon, for L naught, we need to be in the same frame of reference as the Earth and the Moon. So to work out L naught, right, our proper length, we have to be in that same frame of reference. So we have to be stationary compared to the Earth and the Moon. All right, so if we are stationary relative to the Earth and the Moon, that is our L naught value, which is that one up there, 384,400. Okay, so that's our L naught. So our pilot will see that L naught divided by gamma, sorry. So 384,400. Should we leave it in kilometers? Let's make it easier on ourselves. Divided by 12.92. And what do you get there? 297. Let's call it 298. There you go. So rather than having to travel 384,000 kilometers, you only have to travel 30,000. Less than a tenth.